Welcome everyone to CypherHaunt. My name is Yuri Lavor. I've studied cryptocurrency for a while now, and I've decided to create this channel to share my experience with you all. Now, just so you know, this is my opinion only and not a financial advice. Please do your own research. So, without further ado, let me tell you guys what the channel is going to be all about. So, I'm going to do about 10 to 15-minute videos, and they're primarily going to be about crypto. So we're going to talk about the latest news, the FUD and the FOMO in the market, tax regulations and bank adoption of cryptos that are coming out, ICOs, how to spot pump and dumps, that's going to be my next video, and the wallets and exchanges, how they all will be changing due to decentralized exchanges coming out, and companies like Robinhood setting up crypto on their apps. So now you can actually use Robinhood to buy crypto, which is a huge way, huge news, and a big way how to you can get in and buy crypto with fiat without having an account on Coinbase, which is right now Coinbase kind of holds everyone's money. And how crypto in the end, so who will survive, what I think about going from 2,000 cryptocurrencies going to about 30, 40, maybe 50 cryptos max. Okay, so the resources that I use are these. CoinMarketCap is the first website. I basically go on it every single day. What it will show you is all the cryptocurrencies right now without the ICOs, right? So they are all on exchanges, and you can actually, for example, if you want to see where you can buy Bitcoin, you click on Bitcoin and you go to markets here, and you can see where the money is coming from. So whether it would be Korea or primarily US, you can see who's trading it with exchanges are the most right there. You can calculate the current market supply, right? So right now, Bitcoin dominance is 33.4%. You can also see the list, and I will show you guys the way that I do my portfolio. The first page matters, okay? So the top 100 and the top 10, the way that I use my portfolio, I do look at it every single day, right? So you can also use it to see the recently added cryptocurrencies, and you can see where they have been added as well. And of course, the gain and the losers, the 24-hour, which has, you know, this like, for example, 650%. I mean, crazy run. Maybe pump and dump, but who knows? You never know with crypto, right? The second one that I use is crypto CoinMarketCap for crypto, right? So what it will show you is today's events in cryptocurrencies, what they're coming out with. So for example, let's say if you're interested in Dragon Chain, right? So you've invested money, now you can see that there was a pre-sale, right? So you can go here and you can click on the source, and it will show you the source, basically Twitter, where they said that this information is coming out and how people feel about it. So most of the time, this is to hype up the price. So you would think that on this day, when this actually does happen and 90% of people validate it, the price should go up, right? And once you actually get familiar with this, you can choose the coin of your like, and you can see, for example, Tron, right? Let's say you have some Tron and you want to see what they're going to do this year. So you can see they have a bunch of events coming out, right? So this is good to always buy the rumor, right? And then sell the news if you want to just trade it. So this is how I would use it to swing trade. And then I use CoinDesk to get the updated news on what's happening in the world with crypto. There's a lot of FUD in here, okay? So what I would say is always read the full article. Don't just read the title. A lot of times the article has totally different information from what the title is, okay? All right, moving on. ICOs. So what I use for the ICOs is, for my research, I use the token market net. Okay, let's see here. So what it will show you is the trending ICOs. You can actually click on the ICO and it'll show you the website, the white paper, their Facebook, their Twitter, LinkedIn, their blog, a Telegram chat. I mean, you name it. All the information that you need, and you can see when the token is going to be open for sale and when it's, you know, going to be closed for sale. Okay, you can go purchase it now. great resource. And another one is called ICO drops. So what it is it'll show you the past ICOs, their white paper. What I found nice about this one is it'll show you the total amount of how much they were targeting it, right, and how much they actually got. So there was a couple of times an ICO they shoot for, let's say, 32 million, but then they end up grabbing 40 million. So why did they do it, right? A lot of times it's greed and something that you want to watch out for. You definitely want to do your own research and very long, extensive research on investing in ICO, because it is the highest, the highest possible risk that you can put your money in. Okay. Moving on, so to CoinEG. CoinEG is basically a website where you can go to and you can get the current price, right? So I use this to swing trade and build my technical analysis. You can go to like 1 hour or a day candle, and you can kind of see the trend line, right? So we'll get into it. I'll make a separate video on this, but just so you know, it is a free website. You just need an email to sign up. So great tool. I like it more than anything else, because this one does have to do only with crypto. Okay, so it shows you the exchanges and then just the cryptocurrencies. All right, and now I'm gonna tell you guys how I bought my crypto. Again, not a financial advice. This is my opinion only. That's what worked for me the best. So what I did is I got on GDEX. I got my Google Authenticator to protect my logins. And then basically GDEX is associated with Coinbase, right? So they're one thing, right? It's a wallet where you can put your money in. And once you have your money in this wallet, then you can actually go to and uh, send it to an exchange, right? So right now on GDEX, there's only 4 currencies that you can buy. But if you're looking to purchase, for example, ICOs, GDEX is pretty safe wallet where you can go to buy your Ethereum, let's say here, okay? And then what you'll do is you'll open up my Ethereum wallet, you'll send your money here, okay? And then you'll use the ether from here to buy your ICO tokens. Okay, so then the ICO will send you the tokens back to your soft wallet, and then you can send it from here to your exchange, or you can put it in a hardware wallet, which is known as Ledger Nano S. Now, just so you guys know, what I found out is that major currencies, or the top currencies, right, you can use the hardware wallet, but a lot of times, like something new, like let's say Singularity Net that I invested in, and I have no association with them, it's just something that I found pretty cool. You can't put it on your hardware wallet. Okay, so you need to use an exchange probably to transfer your money in. Okay. Now the exchanges that I use are the KuCoin and Binance. KuCoin, what I like about it is their interface is pretty easy to use. So if you go to the markets here, okay, and let's say you're looking at Singularity Net, right? It's a pretty nice, well-developed interface. Okay, so it's easy to see. And typically KuCoin, because it came out and became so popular, is because they list the latest or the newest upcoming out ICO. So as soon as ICO finishes their sale, what right now has been trending is they get on KuCoin. Okay. Another exchange that I use is Binance. Binance is a great exchange. I've been using it for over a year now, and it's easy to use. It's quick. I'd like to think that it's secure, So basically, those two, and just so you guys know, so the KuCoin, it took me about 2 hours to get authenticated. Binance, it did take some time. It took like a day, but from what I found, they offer a lot more variety of coins. Okay, so Binance and KuCoin, those are the two that I've used. Okay, and of course you want to join a community, YouTube, Telegram groups, Twitter, Facebook, Reddit. This is where the news will pop up first. So you want to make sure that you're on Twitter and you're following your ICOs or your cryptocurrencies. Okay, now I'm gonna share with you guys my portfolio. So again, not a financial advice. This is my opinion. This is what worked for me. Okay, so what I do is I use a dollar cost average model. I send between 100 to 500 a week to the GDAX, okay, and Coinbase basically, and then I put 30% of it in Bitcoin. Okay, so I consider it to be my low risk. All right, and I do it every week regardless of the price. So if we go here and we look at, for example, Bitcoin, right, and you're looking at 1 day. Okay, so if you buy it, let's say every 5 days, regardless of the price where it's going up and down, what's going to happen is you're going to pay an average price. Okay, so you're not going to buy it. I mean, you might buy it at the highest, you might buy it at the lowest, but primarily you'll buy it in the middle. Okay, so you're not going to buy all at the top. You probably won't buy everything at the bottom as well, but it'll give you an average. Okay, and what you can do is you can set up your limit buy so you know exactly how much you want to buy it at, and you can set your goals up like that. And of course everyone is looking to buy down here, right? But you want to understand that this is still risky, right? And it's something that you want to be most comfortable with, because the money that you're putting in, even though it has a huge opportunity to grow, it does have a huge opportunity to drop as well. Okay, guys, had to raise it up for you real quick just so you can see better. Low risk is going to be Bitcoin and 10 altcoins. That's 30% of the portfolio. Medium risk is 40%, basically 11 to 250 million market cap. High risk, 25% is 250 million and below. And very high risk is 5% of my portfolio. So if you add these two together, basically the very high risk and high risk, they equal to the same amount as low risk. And then what you're left with is the medium. Remember to diversitize. Diversity is the key in any investment and trading. The sweet spot that I found for me was 250 million to about 500 million market cap. Okay. Um, and I would go at least more than 10 cryptocurrencies, 10 to 20 to 30, whatever you want to do, but at least more than 10. Okay, thank you guys very much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Hit that like button, and then I'll see you guys in the next upcoming ICO video. Thank you.